I am a water quality modeler, so I presented TEMS21 with a water quality model of the Lee River, knowing that they were interested in the water quality of the Lee River, which is a tributary of the Thames. And I used that as a starting point for engaging a discussion with them, so we could identify what the main issues were and especially what they were interested in concerning the River Lee. So after presenting the model and what the model can do and what the model outputs are and what the main uses of the model are, we realized quite quickly that they had a very interesting case study in the Salmonsbrook, which is a tributary of the River Lee, where they carried out activities of water quality monitoring after an intervention with mitigation strategies to reduce the nutrient pollution in the river. So we decided that that was the right case study to implement a water quality model to be used by TEMS21. Yeah, well, it was actually quite different because I'm used to research. So what I do is we have a research project, a research proposal, from this kind of view, from this point of view, we have interactions with stakeholders, but they are kept, let's say, minimal because the job we do is mainly research. While in this case, with TEMS21, the objective of this whole process was driven by them, so was driven by their needs and their issues. So first of all, when I started, I didn't know what I was going to do. That's the main difference, I would say. And I had a vague idea of the area. I have a vague idea of what the issues were, but until I spoke with them, I didn't know that I was going to model nutrients in the Salmonsbrook, that they had this problem of pollution from misconnections and etc. etc. So that was a quite interesting take on this activity. And another difference was engaging with people without a very strong technical background. So both people from TEMS21, some of them had a technical background, others didn't, but also with volunteers. So most of the volunteers didn't have any technical background whatsoever. So engaging with them was different, sometimes quite challenging, because obviously they were interested in equations and numbers. They were interested in what a model can do and how a model can be useful for them. So that was very interesting a very interesting experience and a different one, let's say. Yes, it was, absolutely, because I felt the usefulness of that, and I felt that there was something that should be done more often in order to engage communities and local NGOs in research and in the process of building a model. And it also made me feel the need for more training for this kind of things, because I didn't have any training at all on community engagement and community modeling. So I think both things made me think that this is useful, interesting, and something I want to do more in the future.